Hey everybody, just bought a used oxygen propane welding, brazing, cutting set, just one of those little ones. And it was used, and it came with a couple of these in the box, neither of which were worth a crap. This one I cleaned up and put a new flint inside of it, and I thought I should show a video on doing that. I know it's a simple thing, and anybody watching my channel probably knows it, but maybe not everyone else knows how simple it is to do. So let's just set that one aside. Here's the old one. We're not getting much sparking action. It's very grimy in there, as you can see. Let's pop it out. So to open it up, you just squeeze in, lift it up. And you can see there, hold on. There we go. You can see this one, the flint is worn right out, so it's rubbing on the metal itself. So let's, first of all, one thing, before we even do that, let's clean out this. First of all, let's get whatever's in there. See, that's just some of the gunk that was in there. What I'm going to do is take a little wire brush, little bristles on the end, and clean off this striking pad inside. There you go. And you saw I just dumped it out, so let's see what that got rid of. More crap. Give her again a couple times. Looks pretty good, eh? Not bad. You feel it's very coarse in there, and you run your finger over it now, whereas before it was fairly smooth. Then you want to take this off. It should just unscrew. If it's worn down as this one has, you might need some pliers. Grab some, I have some Van pliers here that have tips made for unscrewing things, but you don't have to. You can just use regular vice pliers, needle nose, any kind. There. And that just screws off counterclockwise. And there you go. You got little threads on the end. Make sure they're all clean and not damaged. We'll set that aside. I have a Mastercraft brand from Canadian Tire. They're pretty much universal. Quantity 5, 1 3/4 by 3/4 inch flints, or 4 by 4 by 2 centimeters replacement flints. They're not expensive, and they last. I mean, I don't imagine I'll ever buy any more flints in my entire life. So, just take them out. Here's how they look. There you go. You see that? Take them, screw them onto there. Now let's tighten it up with the pliers a little bit. Normally you don't have to, but this one, I don't know if the threads are damaged or what, but it doesn't want to finger tighten very well. There we go. That's snug. Okay, now another thing you'll see is this is, line them up, and it's a little below it. I like to give it a little bend. Put it even further below so it gives it a little more pressure on the striker to light it up. Let's give it a try. There we go. From no sparks to lots of sparks and easy. The nice thing about having the extra pressure is you don't have to push downward pressure on this while you're doing it. So if you're using your offhand or something, you can still get spark. There you go. And it's just that easy. It's easy, inexpensive, and rather than buying new one of these things last virtually forever. You just clean out the scratcher. I guess after a couple decades, or I don't know, these are probably decades old. I don't imagine those strikers ever wear out. The flint material is way softer than the striker, so it shouldn't ever wear out. So there you go. How exciting, eh? Simple things for simple minds. Me, meaning me, not you guys. I'm the one with the simple mind. By the way, to cut this package open, I used my awesome Roxxon knife that I bought at Lee Valley. So you Canadian guys, that's where it is. But they do sell it in the States, other places. You can look it up online. I think I paid 30 bucks or something for it, and it's been a fabulous knife. I love everything about it. The only thing I don't like is this black part. I wish it was the same color as the rest of the knife, but it's got a nice little action, nice blade, stays sharp. It's decent. It's not super quality, but it's good enough for me. The one thing that I didn't think I would use, that I use far more than the knife, are the scissors, because they're not those little tiny finger scissors. They're these, and they work great. They stay sharp, and they're usable. Anyway, enough about my scissors. I'll post a link to the video about this. So thanks for watching. That's what you do if you need to fix your strikers for your torch set. Very handy little deals. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, send money, cars, whatever. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.